Hello, welcome back to a brand new video. I mentioned in the last video I recorded, it's not up yet, but it is probably gonna be in a few days, maybe actually it might be uploaded now already, I don't know. I might upload it before this one, but I mentioned in that video, it's not out yet, that I was going to show you a mob grinder I built in case if you want to make a replica of it and do it yourself. Well, I'm going to show it to you now. This is a staircase down to it, but there's actually a faster route. Go right through here. If I figure out how to download this world, I will send it out to you after it's all done. So if you go down here, alright, drop right down here. This is this here anvil there. Actually, right through here. This here is the main, and this here is like the spawning area. Let me actually, just for the sake of this video, I'm upping the game of difficulty to hard. I normally play on easy, but just to show this off to you. It's now on hard. Alright, so in there is where they spawn. It's 4 blocks out in each direction, actually 5 blocks this way. Or another one where they fall down into that little tunnel there. The tunnel leads. This here is literally just like a waiting room type thing, where I can wait for stuff to spawn up in there. And then when I think I have enough there, I come on down here. And down here is where they should be. I don't know why they aren't there. I'm going to try to maybe pre-log. Alright. I don't know why it's not spawning. Let me set the difficulty. Hard. It's already set to hard, it says. Yeah, we can't hear any zombies, which is concerning. I don't know why they aren't spawning. Let me just do a little bit of a tester. I'm just gonna summon in a zombie just to see. Huh. I don't know why it's not working. Why are there no mobs around? I mean, I think maybe I should restart the server. I think it's like a glitch on the server. I think maybe a restart will help with that. So we're just gonna wait for that to happen. Alright, restart. Alright, it says it's restart. Alright. Loading and everything. Yeah, cause I did the slash summon zombie command, nothing happened. Huh. It's not really what that command was didn't impact the game. No, because it was just a tester. It was literally a zombie, even if it did something it didn't do nothing. I have infinite of those with the spawner. Yeah, I think it should be fixed now. Failed to connect to server, unknown host. Why is it saying unknown host? Server is up right now. Alright. Maybe we just had to wait for a little bit so my Minecraft could process that. There we go. Now you can hear the zombies are spawning. I have lost cobbled there. Oh no. You hear the zombies. So it is working. Alright, so let's wait a little bit here. Basically, you're wondering where I maybe got this design for the spawner from. Really got it from nowhere. I see a lot of YouTubers mimic this design exactly. This is just like the basic monster spawner. Everybody kind of knows it. Alright, now we waited for some time. Usually I would wait for like another 5 minutes most likely. Oh wait, actually, oh no, I forgot to do something. I think we're gonna have to go all the way back up here. I can show you this tunnel at least that brings me up. That slab is there for a very important reason. Because so you can actually walk under that there. Maybe asking, why is it just a block? Why isn't it just a block? Because you hit your head and it kind of makes it a lot slower to like climb up and go down. So if it's like 3 high like this, it actually is kind of fast. And if I make it stairs, it'll be even faster. I think I might do it, like on this main part, but not over there. Because this actually takes like a while. As you can tell from this. The reason why I'm going back up here is I forgot to grab the sword. I have like a special sword made up with sweeping edge, sharpness, and breaking, I think. I think that's what I have on it, so I can just kill all those guys instead of just having my axe. And I leave it here. I think I might actually put it in a chest down there. Over there in like the killing room. No, actually, let's quickly make that chest. Here's the sword, sweeping edge 3, sharpness 5, and breaking 3. That's all I think you really need for this. And then you just go in here. Over to here. Drop down here. Even if you die there, it's no big deal, really. Because your stuff is contained here. So, is it spawning right now? I don't know. I hope it is. There might be already some down there. Let's go check. Basically, I'll just do this. This is basically what the killing room is. It's a slab here so babies can't attack me. Some people would do like slabs here like this. But actually they can, mobs still can attack you if you do that when you're crouching to get through. Or they'll do like slabs like that. I like to do this here because then you could just like crouch and attack them like this. It's kind of like the best design. The one downside though is nothing will spawn down there. You have to actually be up higher. When I know I'm high enough, it's usually this torch. Usually they start spawn at. Is it working right now? Yep. You can hear them. Let's wait another minute or two so you can actually like see the whole thing. This was supposed to be like a 5-minute episode. We're up to 10 minutes now. No. Well, it's not really an episode, it's just a video. If you're wondering why I don't edit my videos, it's because I'm lazy, really. I know that's not really like the answer that you're expecting, but I'm lazy, I don't know how, and I don't feel like learning how. So that's just why I don't do it. I think I might actually instead of just doing all of this craft stairs, there. Now I have. Oh, I thought it had exactly a step. It's a little bit over a step. I'm gonna actually do that. There. That's a good amount. Now I can put the rest of my cobble away in here. Alright, now there should be enough down there. Then just one hit kills them all, and now I'm already up to 6 XP, and I started at 0. It's actually a really good calculator. Hope you enjoyed this video. Hope it explained to you, but that's everything. Bye bye!